Hi kids! Today we're going to continue counting and comparing numbers using Charlie Crocodile. I'd like you to go and fetch some squared paper if you've got any left, or just some line paper or plain will do, a pencil and a ruler. Pause the video and go and get what you need. Let's warm up our brains by counting. Have a go at counting the equipment in each box. Write your answers down. How did you do? Let's mark our answers. How many pieces of red Lego were there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So give yourself a tick or fix your answer if you got it wrong. How many pieces of yellow Lego were there? 1, 2, 3. Brilliant. How many pieces of Lego and Numicon were there? I'm going to count the 10s first because I know there's a 10, that Numicon is a blue 10. So 10 and 10 more, 20, 21, 22. How many pieces of red Numicon are there? Oh, the Numicon looks like it's 5. 5 and 5 more? 10. Super, well done. Now, we know that Charlie Crocodile is a really fussy eater and he only likes to eat the biggest numbers he can see. So on my page, I put some numbers on there and he's going to eat number 9 because that's the biggest number on the page. Ooh, Charlie, you are hungry today. Now, these are the greater than and less than signs that we were introduced to before. Now, this sign, when we see it, is greater than, and I like to think of it as being like the crocodile's mouth, Charlie's mouth, okay? And I sometimes draw teeth on that sign to show that it's his mouth. And then he's got his big belly on the left-hand side of the number, and that's where the greatest number goes. Now the second sign is less than, okay? So we always write the smallest number first. What I'd like you to do now is just pause the video and go and just jot down what's on the page to help you. So if we have the numbers 5 and 2, and Charlie Crocodile likes to eat the biggest number, which number will he eat? Okay, and then have a guess at thinking about which sign will be put in between the two numbers. Did you get it right? Charlie Crocodile will want to eat number 5. So we'll show this as 5 is greater than 2. And if I think of it using a number line, we know that 5 is bigger than 2. Would you rather have 5 cookies or 2? 5, of course you would. Let's have a look at this one. 9 is greater than 6. Do you agree with that? Yeah. Can we read this number sentence? 4 is less than 7. Is 4 a smaller number than 7? Yes, it is. Also, if we look at the symbol of less than, we know that Charlie Crocodile, his belly is going to be drawn a big circle around that number 7. So we know that he's always going to want to eat that biggest number. And with that symbol, 4 less than 7, he's still got the biggest number in his belly. Yum yum. What I'd like you to do now is have a go at comparing numbers. Okay, so you're going to write down the number sentence 2. You don't need to draw the circle, you need to put your sign in there. Is 2 greater than 1 or is 2 less than 1? So what you'll end up with, kids, is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 number sentences with the symbol in. Then your extension is, can you have a go at writing 5 of your own numbers? So if you think my numbers are too small for you, write 5 bigger numbers. If you find my numbers quite hard, write 5 number sentences with smaller numbers. Pause the video, off you go. How did you do? Pause the video and mark your answers. Well done, kids, for completing a numeracy lesson. We're going to start a new topic tomorrow. Come and join me then. Well done. See you soon.